Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how you can download CoinGapp that's crypto arbitrage. Now it's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to stick till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to tap and open Play Store or App Store on your device, and there search for CoinGapp. And now you have to simply tap on install button to download and install the app. Now the app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you have to simply tap on open button to open up your CoinGapp. Now there you have successfully downloaded, installed and open up your CoinGapp on your device. Now that's all it takes to download your CoinGapp on your device. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.